re fitlha kwa re bethe good a se ne re betha re botsisa ke it was Carbonina, Arthur, and who's le o mongwe wa lekgowa wa Afro ke metsi ke le colored or ke so Arthur says yes and then hotla Carbonina are why what do you expect me to say Rasbulele said are okay sharp out of 10 o nagana re ko fe bokae ka 9 ara if you say 9 that means it's a no for me. Here we need people that goes 10 out of 10
wena
so since that day I've learned in life put a rate whether you like it or not put yourself up there don't limit yourself even though you know you did something wrong or you are not right mara uskati never ever that's my advice also word of the day ka uskati tia ko tlase